Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable ANC on your earbuds Redmi Buds 6 Pro. So you have a few options how to enable it. You have two options. The first one is to use an application, and the second one use gestures on your earbuds. And let's get started by use the application. You need to open Xiaomi Earbuds app, and of course you need to add your earbuds there. And right here you will see the same menu, and right here we have ambient sound control. So to enable ANC you need to tap at the ANC icon here, what called noise cancellation. To disable it, you need to or swap to normal mode or swap to transparency. But to swap to transparency, you need to put your earbuds to your ears. Also, as I said, we can use gestures, and by default, you need to press and hold at the left or right earbud. Touch areas on your earbuds located at the back side. And right here at the top, we have it. So you just press and hold. And we need to... what's going on? Okay, maybe I will put it to my ear. No, this time I did it. Okay, there is something wrong, so let's try again. I press and hold. And I swap to ANC. To disable it, you need to also press and hold, but you will swap to transparency mode, and you cannot return to the normal mode. To return the normal mode, you need to set it for this gesture. So, to do this, you need to scroll down and go to gestures. Then right here, as you can see, by default we use press and hold on the left and right earbud. So select the left one and you need to enable off. And now we can also return to the normal mode. But you can also should set it for the right earbud if you use this gesture on the right earbud. So you need to click here also. And now let's check it. So press and hold again, and as you can see, now I can return to the normal mode. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.